Hi guys, this video is just a flip through of some photos that I'm putting into my Etsy shop, and I'm just showing them because in Etsy you can only put 10 photos, and I think the person that would be interested would like to see each and every photo that's in there. So it's kind of like a flip through video of a journal that's going into an Etsy shop, but for photos. So you may recall a couple of weeks back now, I purchased a whole bunch of old photos. Well, when I say old, I think they're from the 80s and one may be from the 70s, but most of them are from the 80s. Just some photos from Reverse Garbage, which is a recycle centre here in Sydney. Okay, I've got a whole bunch to put on, but I'm just going to start with maybe 3 or 4. I'll see how long the video goes. And the first one is the Best of France tour in Paris, I think it says. And what I decided to do was keep them in the original packs that they came in. So I'm not going to, go through and mix them all up or anything. So this whole pack of photos is France. This is the original envelope. There's a tear there and a tear there. This one didn't come with any negatives inside it. So there were some loose negatives in the box of photos I got. So I've just put in one of the negatives just so that you have the whole photo feel. And these make really good embellishments as well. Okay, so this one has one postcard, I think it was. Yep. This one's got one postcard, and this is it. There is some writing on the back, and it says the 2nd of June, 89. And all of these photos have dates and writing on the back, but I'm not going to read them all because I'll be here forever. So in this pack, it's France. There's one negative, which may or may not be of this. I'm not sure. It was just loose in the box. The back of the photos are dated May and June 1989. They've got writing of where the place is and a little bit about it. And it's got one postcard and 35 photos. So I'll just let me just get rid of that so it can focus. Okay. Even though I'm trying to go quick, this will take forever, won't it? And if you want to know any more details of what's on the back, you can just pause the video or send me a message on Etsy. Like this one says Village of Paul de Vence. I don't know. Somewhere Nice, Fountain, 1850. It's upside down. These ones are really nice. I like these photos. See, this one's got quite a fair bit of writing. And I think that's what's unique about this batch of photos. I've never come across photos with writing on the back of all of them before. So my thoughts on these were to use in junk journals, and you creative ladies out there will know what to do with these. Some really pretty pictures. French chateau, 13th century. It's really pretty. Whoever took these, they kept really good notes as they took photos. 1624. So beautiful. So if there was, you know, any crappy type of photos that are, I don't know, maybe not that interesting, I've left them in here anyway because you can still find something to do with them. See, this one says modern Paris, so that's somewhere in the city. Okay, so that's the France or Paris ones with a postcard, that and that. How long did that take me? 6 minutes. I can't do a quick video, can I? Okay, I'll probably only get through 2. Okay, this one is Spain, and this envelope does have a little tear there, as well. This is the writing that was already on it. It says Spain something something. I can't read their writing. This one has 1 negative. Again, it's just a random negative, because some of these didn't have the negatives in here. They were just loose in a box. So this one's got 1 negative, the original photo envelope. The back of the photos are dated May 1989, and they've all got writing as well. Mostly just where the place is, might be a bit about it. It's got 1 postcard, and there's 32 photos in this lot. So this one is actually the postcard. And she's written 14th of May 89 on it. It's really pretty. Okay, so, oops. So these will be good if you've got, you know, you're making a travel journal or something like that. Old part of Seville. Look at that. Look at the little cobblestones. I love it. Some sort of performance. Flamenco dances. Okay. I've got a knot. I've looked at these so many times now. Look at that. That's so beautiful. I love that one. This is pretty. Look at that. Plaza de Espina. My pronunciations are really bad. Look at that. That one's gorgeous. I love that photo. Look at the modern day clashing with the old world. They stayed at a nice place. Where's that? Hotel Zalanza something. Blowhole, north coast of somewhere. I can't read it. I like the streetscape ones where people are going about their normal lives. And sorry, my hands are all inky. so that's the Spain one. Oh, 10 minutes. That's quick for me. Okay. Next one is... Sorry, I need to keep them in their envelopes as I go, otherwise I'll get mixed up. Okay, the other one is... this one is Norfolk Island. Okay, so these negatives are the correct ones for the envelope. So Norfolk Island, and these were the negatives that were with the envelope. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this envelope, look at this, Olympic Games 1980. That's awesome. Actually, this envelope's in pretty good nick. Okay, so this one has the envelope, the 5 negatives, which are the original ones for the photos, and it's got the Olympic Games 1980 logo. Yep, showed you that. Sorry, I've got notes on here because some of them had stuff I think I wanted to point out, maybe not. And this one has 58 photos in the bundle. Now these ones, they don't have her writing for the date, but Kodak has stamped them all on the back, March 80. So that's the Kodak stamp on the back, March 80. Okay. These are the smaller photos with the rounded corners. You know, the other one's a big square, big rectangle with the square corners. So she's got writing again, like front entrance, Bishop's Court. Okay. And these ones are really pretty, actually. Look at that. So pretty. I love the old stonework. 1828 that was built. Norfolk Island is somewhere I would love to go. It's a pity all the photo companies didn't, you know, date mark them on the back. A lot of my old photos I didn't write anything. That's really pretty. Lord Howe Island from the air. So she must have gone on a helicopter ride or something. Look at the car back then. That's so funny. Bugs Bunny. Look how pretty that is. Stud Farm, Orson Bay. Oh, donkey. I always wanted a donkey. I still want a donkey. I think they're so cute. Look. this is a big bundle. 58 photos in this one. Looking towards Mount Pitt from South Pacific Hotel. Oh, there's my donkey. Okay, that's Norfolk Island. Okay, I might leave it at those three, and I'll be back in another day or two with a few more of different places. Okay, so those will go up in my Etsy, those three bundles, sometime shortly after this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.